Hello beautiful nail lovers, welcome back to my channel designed by Osil, the channel that got to covers for latest nail designs. So guys, if you're just coming across my channel for the very first time, kindly do well to join this family. Okay, hit the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss our subscribe videos. Thank you so much as you join us. So guys, today we have beautiful nails ideas for my ladies, medium sized nails ideas for cute ladies. So guys, watch and select your favorite slide. Okay, these are all season nail design, like you got to rock it for any season because they are looking cute and beautiful. Okay, remember you can rock it to any occasion, to shine the occasion, to vacations, to wedding, just name it. You can rock it to anywhere and be looking all good and beautiful. So as you watch the video, kindly do support us by hitting the like button. Liking the video will help it to go viral. Okay, just help us share the video to your loved ones, and then they can also find their style ideas. Okay, so please watch, like, comment. So we wait for your lovely comment in the comment section. Just tell us, will be trying any of these nails. Let us know in the comment section. So if this doesn't fit your needs, you can as well go into our channel to look for other nails ideas. Sure, we have a lot of stunning designs. Okay, so just go and explore more beautiful designs in our channel. Thank you so much as you watch our videos, and as you watch, like, comment and share. See you guys in our next video. Bye.